So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me regarding the actual coffee. Once you grind it, how can you actually increase the pressure of your Shaja Barista? So first of all, the order of extraction here, you can see it says a number. So depending on the actual number, the smaller the actual number, the grinding actual effect, the quicker it is. So basically you put it here. I always previously do a one shot without the actual coffee pressure. And then what I would do is just try and put it nice and neat over here. So we've got here our actual coffee, and just make sure you press it up here during 10 seconds, which is the pre-infusion, and you will see that it's in the middle bar. Okay, let's go to it. You wait 10 seconds approximately. There you hear it go, and then you're ready to go. And you will see the actual increase in pressure. There you go. And you see how it goes in the espresso range, and then you see the actual drip. Wonderful drip, by the way. I mean, you can actually see. I'm gonna put a little bit more light so you can see it, but essentially it's a wonderful drip. There you go. And then you just wait automatically and it will finish. And the key is always doing the pre-infusion, which I think many of you do not actually do it, which is basically just putting the pre-infusion right before it actually the coffee stops. And then once you're done, you basically just click right here and you've got your wonderful espresso. There you go. Look at this wonderful color. I mean, it looks pretty much amazing. Let me know in the comments what you think, and let me know if the pressure is actually back on the espresso range once you do the pre-infusion.